Hello, good afternoon everyone. This is in Paris 7 arrondissement in Haut-Pyrénées. This is about 5 kilometers away from the town Eiffel. It's a beautiful weather today. Look at that. I'm missing it's a blue sky, cold 3 degrees, but it's a perfect because it's sunny and it's a blue sky. Let's hang the shirt first. Here we hang also the shirt. In the province, it's in the sun, but here we dry it through heater. This is not mine, by the way, guys. This is for my patron. I'm working here as a private employment. They are all in vacation, but I prepared. I'm not sure if they are here or not, because sometimes they tell me, sometimes they don't tell me. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.